Hello everyone, this is the model to demonstrate wave motion with the help of pendulum. This model is consist of a metallic frame to which 7 pendulums are tied. Now you can see these 7 pendulums are having equal masses and their length is also equal. These pendulums are tied horizontally at the top with single thread. Now this model can be used to demonstrate both type of wave motion, that is a transfer wave and longitudinal wave. There are two ways you can use it. In first way, you will hold the first pendulum and pull it in the direction which will be perpendicular to the plane of the pendulum. In second way, you will hold the pendulum and pull it in the direction which is the same that of the plane of the pendulum. Now in first way when you pull the pendulum away from the plane of the pendulum, then this first pendulum start oscillating periodically about its mean position. The plane of oscillation is perpendicular to the plane of the pendulum. This pendulum transfers its vibrating energy to the second one as they are interconnected by means of thread. Therefore second pendulum will start oscillating after some time. Now second pendulum will transfer its vibrational energy to third one. Therefore third one will start vibrating after some time. In this way each pendulum will transfer its energy to the neighboring pendulum and therefore it will cause a wave motion. Here you can see very clearly pendulum do not vibrate simultaneously. They will vibrate after certain time, that is a different successive vibration you can see. Now if you observe this pendulum very carefully, you will be able to see there is from the mean position pendulums are showing alternative crest and trough. Now in second wave motion, for example, if I am taking this first pendulum again and I am just vibrating it in the same plane. Now here you can see second wave where you will be able to see successive rarefaction and compression between these two pendulums, and this is how you can use this model.